Hello guys, namaste, welcome back to Android Tricks. It's not even been 2 months since the launch of OnePlus 6T and they are already back with another edition of the OnePlus 6T. 2 minutes of silence before I start this video for people who bought the OnePlus 6T recently, who very well had the budget to buy this limited edition.
Hello darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again.
Let me share you the unboxing experience before we get into the details. It has one of the fanciest packagings I have seen in the recent time, and here's why. It comes with the orange cover along with the bold font saying the tagline of this phone, which is "Salute to Speed." Next up is this booklet which has an AR Easter egg in it along with the phone itself. Moving in, you will see the McLaren branded cover, below which is the trophy which everyone buying this device would get. I'll show you the trophy in a bit, but what really impressed me with this phone is the power brick and the USB cable. It really looks amazing in hand, and in general, I would literally buy this device if OnePlus puts it out in the sale. Also, this orange accent just steals the show because I'm really tired of looking at all the red and white OnePlus dash chargers at my place. That's pretty much with the unboxing experience. Let me show you what's new in this device. I won't beat around the bush and get straight to the point. This device has 10 GB RAM in it. That's more than the average RAM provided in the mid-range Windows laptop. I believe they mainly went with this massive specification because it is in collaboration with McLaren. McLaren is all about speed and they just wanted this phone to be the best of the best. And in general, OnePlus already releases one of the fastest phone in the market, and to beat that, I guess they had to go with the 10 GB variant. Also, this brings up a question in my mind. Do you feel the OnePlus 7 will have the 10 GB variant by default? Vote over here and let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. The McLaren edition not only is all about the 10 GB RAM, but they also have an exclusive design for this collaboration. On the first look, it will look like the mirror black variant, but if you look closely, you will see it has the carbon fiber footprints on the entire back of the phone. It shows up easily when you throw some light on it. There is also an orange tint at the edge of the back panel and it looks really killer. Also, the phone has McLaren logo at the bottom of the back panel, which in itself adds a whole lot of value to this device. Trust me, it looks 10 times better when you look at it in person than you see on camera. OnePlus also changed the UI of this device just like they did with the previous collaborations with Star Wars and Avengers. The entire UI has an orange accent color, which is the theme of the OnePlus and McLaren collaboration. You also get the special wallpapers which has light trails, which again indicates speed. I am really fond of this wallpapers which they have created for this edition. I'll link it down in the description box below if you want to get them on your device. They also introduced something which I was hoping for since a long time. That is the successor to the dash charger. If you know me or if you have been watching my videos for a while, you would know that I am a big fan of dash charger. Dash charger was famous for giving the day's power within 30 minutes, and with the McLaren edition they introduced the warp charger, which gives enough power to run an entire day within 20 minutes. They claim that it can charge your device from 0 to 70 within 20 minutes. Although I don't like the name warp charger, I really prefer the dash charger, but that could just be me. Let me know what you think about the same by the vote over here. So yeah, that's everything new with the OnePlus 6T limited edition, and coming to the price, I'm still struggling to digest the fact that they literally priced it at 50,999, which basically is 51,000. As much as I love this device and the company OnePlus in general, I hate to say that I'm really sad to hear the pricing of this product. Let me know if you think that the price is justified or it's absurd in the comment section below. Let's have a chat about it, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new here and press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you guys in the next one.